So hey everyone, in this video we're gonna discuss how you can clean up the drives of your PC, which will definitely saves you a lot of storage. So first of all you have to do is to press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. It will open the run prompt, and in the dialog box you have to write clean mgr. And after entering this command you have to click on OK, and there will be a drive cleanup window pop up where you have to select the drive which you want to clean. Let's take an example with the C drive. You have to select the drive and click on OK. There will be some process, it may take a little bit time, but in my case it opened up in a second. It may takes a lot time as well. And here after opening this you have to select all the files. This may include the recycle bin files and some update files which your Windows has been downloaded and now it's of no use. And once you have selected all the files, just click on OK and a warning will pop up. You have deleting these files permanently. You have to click on delete files. They are not of any use. Again a small process will happen and all the temporary files are cleaned from your device. And for the other drives the process is same. You have to click Windows plus R key on your keyboard again, and the dialog box you have to write clean mgr again, and the same window will pop up. Here you can select the other drives as well and clean them for speedy performance. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope this helps you. Make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button for more interesting videos.